The exquisite Shahneshin Villa emerges as a seamless blend within the lush embrace of Kalardasht's Shahneshin area. Crafted with an intricate vision, wood stands tall as the cornerstone material, harmonizing effortlessly with its natural canvas, the forest. Every facet of this abode bows to the landscape's influence, sculpting spaces that embrace the surroundings. Strategic openings beckon the panoramic views, weaving a tapestry of connection between indoors and the captivating outdoors. Mindful of the region's rainfall, the roofs boast a steep design, expertly channeling rainwater. Nestled within the villa's heart lies a fireplace, ingeniously integrated into a colossal rock. This visionary touch not only captivates the eye but bridges the interior and the forest beyond. In its layout, the villa orchestrates a spatial symphony. Kitchens and living spaces grace the yard's level, while elevated bedrooms command an elevated perch, promising an unparalleled living experience.